What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, I'm joined with a special guest, Glenn. He is a local domination 0 to 7K course graduate, and he is killing the game. Glenn, how's it going, man?
What's going on, Justin? How you doing?
I'm doing good, bro. I'm happy to have you on to kind of tell your story a little bit. So first and foremost, how long have you been pressure washing for?
So we started the business in October of 2020. So just a few months right now.
Okay, excellent. So you haven't even been in the game that long. And at what point did you get the course as well?
I got the course at the end of November. The first little few jobs that I hustled up, I'd been watching you and Aaron on, y'all's channels and everything. And I was like, man, if they can give me a jump start into this, I need to get on that. So I spent the money, got the course, and I couldn't be happier with it, to be honest with you.
Absolutely, man. So how did the course kind of help facilitate the launching of your business?
Like I said, I'd done a couple of jobs and everything. So like I had the basis down, which you also cover in the course, but I just wanted to get up to that next level. That's what I was really looking at, was like, okay, marketing strategies. Like I'm trying any and everything right now. And I described it to Aaron like I didn't have a playbook. I didn't have something to execute. So I'm really good at executing a plan, but I'm not really good at coming up with the plan. So that's what I saw it as for you guys. Like Aaron goes through his like 3-phase thing, and you go through your ads work, and I just try to execute those things. I don't need to recreate the wheel. I just need to do what successful people do,
Awesome. So it was just, it was something that put everything in one place for you, kind of gave you a blueprint for what you need to do with your business, right?
Yeah, man. You can go back. Like, I didn't know you could even go back to it at any time, because like I was trying to revamp my Facebook ads, and I went back and watched that part of the course all over again. I didn't even know that was an option when I bought it. I just thought, I got to take all these notes and stuff, while I'm doing this, so I get everything. And come to find out, I can go back at any time and look over stuff that I may have missed or whatever. So it's pretty cool.
Absolutely. And we're still adding some stuff in there. There's going to be some more chemical videos that are coming in, but you're killing the game with regards to chemicals. Before we get into that, just kind of tell me exactly what part about the course really helped you to kind of mold your business. Was it specifically the marketing, or was it Aaron's 3 phases, or, was it any one thing in particular?
I think it was pretty much 3 things. The chemicals knowledge on there was really good, and it opened my eyes up, because we hear about sodium hypochlorite. If you're on any of these pages and stuff, that's anytime somebody posts a picture, they're like, what did I do? Did you spray some SH on it? Did you try a hot mix? We don't realize, like, there's so much more than organics that we could be making money off of. As long as we know the proper use and where to find the stuff and everything else. So that was a big thing, because that made me add on some extra things to my services that I didn't even think about. And the Facebook ads, that really helped. I was in the right direction, because I've been doing it for a couple of months, but whenever I saw yours, it just kind of helped me hone in on where I was going. It would have taken me a lot, several months to even maybe get to there. That's what this is all about. Like the learning curve, it dropped so big just by taking this, just because of that, and of course the 3 phases, because, you don't know where to start when you're buying equipment, and like how much you should buy and what you should buy, where your money should be going. Again, it's just a playbook of like, okay, I spend my money right here, I make money, then I spend some more money right here, then I make more money, and then so it's really nice to have just all those all that information is just right there in front of you.
And man, you took the chemical portion of the course and you ran with it. Like you said, it kind of gave you some different ideas on some different services that you could provide. So tell us a little bit about how you've been able to make about $3,000 in the past couple of days washing.
Yeah, man. We started doing offering graffiti removal as one of our services. We also do rust, calcite. Like I'm telling you, after I did that part of the course, I immediately messaged Aaron. It was like, hey, where are you buying your stuff from? Because there's not anything like that in my city. So I had to order it from where he bought his from to get it. But I've ordered it like that night, and started pushing it just here and there. And we got a job with the Parks Department down by the, right on the river. And we did really well for them with one graffiti removal. It was in January. And man, they called us back up and they were like, hey, we've got like 1,000 square feet. We want you to do half now and then half like next quarter when their budget goes back through for the quarter. So, Yeah, it ended up being that and 2 monorails, which is a really weird thing. I've never, like, that's not a normal thing, but that just kind of went in with it. And it ended up coming out to right at $2,000 just for the graffiti removal and the monorail cleanings, just in the past 2 days. And then we had some roof washes we did too to top it over 3,000 for 2 days of work. That's not bad, you know what I mean?
Hey man, that's pretty good stuff. I'm happy that you were able to kind of leverage some of the stuff that you learned within the course to get some of these jobs. Have you been able to land any jobs with the Facebook ad strategy yet?
I started in October. November, it started slowing down really bad. Like all my friends and family jobs that I was getting and everything kind of started slowing up. So I was freaking out because this is my full-time job. And I'm like, all right, what are we going to do? And I talked to my fiance. I'm like, we're going to do Christmas lights. This is like the weekend of Thanksgiving. We're going to start putting up Christmas lights, so we're a little behind. And I ran some ads and we got some jobs. Well, in November, I take that course. I revamp my Facebook ad strategy for Christmas lights, right? So we do Christmas lights all the way up until 4 days before Christmas. We've got jobs like lined up where people are getting Christmas lights installed 4 days before Christmas. It wasn't like, oh, I've got to get this done 2 months. And, that retargeting and everything of the people that I was trying to get in front of, it's all off of this course right here. So it worked not only pressure washing, you know what I mean? It worked for Christmas lights. It got us paid in the wintertime for Christmas lights. So
Dude, that is awesome. Specifically because like the ad strategy is really like plug and play. Like if you have a good service, you can plug it in. You can get a bunch of leads with it. Also, by you leveraging Christmas lights, you probably were able to get build your customer list. You know what I mean? That you can send out emails and do a bunch of different stuff with. So super excited that you were able to leverage that Facebook ads with Christmas lights. We're gonna have to talk about that some more later, but. That is incredible, man. You're killing the game, Glenn. What is a piece of advice that you would give to someone who's just getting started or they're looking to achieve similar results that you've been able to achieve?
You know, what I did was I started watching all the YouTube videos. I mean, there's like 7 guys that I subscribe to that I follow on, and for different reasons, for marketing reasons, for technical reasons, for plumbing and electrical reasons, like everything. So I learned as much as I could. Don't drag your feet. You know what I mean? Make that point. Like if that's what I want to do, if this is what if I want to be able to have time with my family and make the living that I want to make, if this can afford you all those things, but you have to just go do it. You can't, I could watch YouTube for 2 years, or I could take 25 courses. And if I never, ever go out and execute the things that I'm learning, it's not going to mean anything. And that's really the big thing. I got laid off. I worked on Bill Street. I got laid off from Bill Street. I didn't have a choice. I had to go get it, But for somebody that's like still stuck in that job that they hate and everything, man, just make that jump and just do the things that other people are doing that are successful, man. It's really scary, but it's so worth it, man. It is.
Okay, well, beautiful, man. Every guest that comes onto the channel has to pick the word of the day. So what would you like the word of the day to be?
Man, you're a real one.
Okay. You're a real one is the word of the day. If you guys made it this far in the video, go ahead and comment down below. You're a real one, and I will hashtag you a real one. My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. If you guys want to check out the local domination course, it'll be first link in the comment section and the description. And until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.